In this video, we will show you the correct steps to attach a potato harvester to your tractor. Since there is good accessibility, start by lubricating both drive shafts on the drawbar. Pay attention to the lubrication schedule for the drive shafts. Lubrication must be repeated approximately every 40 operating hours. For this, use special grease with a temperature range of up to 150 degrees Celsius or higher. The GRIMME article number for the lubricant is shown on the screen. Now drive the tractor up to the machine. Engage the handbrake and turn off the tractor before performing any work between the tractor and the machine. Connect the hydraulic hoses for the support leg 1, plus and minus. Go ahead and start the tractor and completely retract the support leg. First, firmly engage the handbrake and completely power down the engine of the tractor before continuing. Next, securely lock the trailer hitch and thoroughly check whether the machine is properly aligned and perfectly parallel to the ground. To do this, look at the machine from the side. If the hydraulic box is aligned parallel to the ground, the position of the hitch point is correct. If the machine is not properly aligned, the intake cannot operate optimally during harvesting. The hitch point can be adjusted in height to align the machine. Tighten the bolts again according to the torque values that are specifically detailed within the operating manual. Now, carefully attach both the drive shaft and the hydraulic hoses to the tractor. Please note that the P and LS hoses can only be connected when the tractor is fully switched off and powered down. Finally, proceed to securely connect the brake system, the lighting, and the isobus cable. This may only be plugged in when the tractor's ignition is switched off. Carefully position the black 12-pin cable and the green video cable so they are easily accessible from the cab. After all cables and hoses are connected, properly adjust and secure the hose support so that all hoses and cables can swing freely. The hose support can be adjusted in both height and length. Make sure that there is sufficient clearance and space between the support and the tractor's fenders, even when turning. Tighten the screws once everything is adjusted. This completes the mechanical installation of the machine. We wish you much success with your harvest.